Hi, welcome to my art channel. Thank you for joining me today. So these are the colours I'm going to use. This one is TLP Athena, rose gold. This one is Matisse Southern Ocean Blue. This one is TLP Mermaid. This one is one of the new glow in the dark pigments pads, Piggies After Dark from Fluid Art Co. This one is Seductive, and I have added just a tiny little bit of Abalone, TLP Abalone to it. This is Atelier Cobalt Turquoise Light. This is Boomgel Stain Mulled Wine and Boomgel Stain Sterling Wax White. Selectivator. This is 3 golds mixed together. It's Pebeo Iridescent Precious Gold, Golden Iridescent Gold Fine and Atelier Rich Gold mixed with Australian Floetrol. 1 to 1.5 parts of Floetrol to the 1 part of paint. So I mix all my tube paints together first. So it's approximately equal parts of the 3 of those, and then I mix those together. Then I add my Floetrol a little bit at a time, as if you're baking. So it's all incorporated nicely. So it's not exact 1 to 1.5 parts. It's round about that. 14 by 18 inch canvas. I'm going to be doing some minimal swiping, white pillow paint. So let's get messy. These are some of the palette knives I'll be using for my swipes, and I'm also going to use Boomgel Stain in Willy Wagtail Black.
Confetti on the floor, they're walking out the door. Yeah, all the lights come on, but you are still the one I want. Forget the mess we made, all the things we shouldn't have said. You let your guard down, so I let my guard down too. You are still the one, can't pretend that you're not. So I won't, no I won't. I know we got our problems, but I know we can solve them. Cause everyone has gone home, but you still dance with me when the party is over. Problems, well damn it, I don't care. Cause everyone has gone home, but you still dance with me when the party is over. When the party is over. Confetti on the floor from the night before, but when the sun comes up, you are still the one I want. Forget the mess we made, all the things I forgot how to say. Know that I'm no good with words, for what it's worth. You are still the one, can't pretend that you're not. So I won't, no I won't. I know we got our problems, but I know we can solve them. Cause everyone has gone home, but you still dance with me when the party is over. Problems, well damn it, I don't care. Cause everyone dance with me when the party is over. Never been so strong with anyone. Never been this sure I found the one. Never felt this safe with anyone. Finally found a place where I belong. But now I wonder what is wrong. What's on your troubled mind? There's one thing I want you to know. All the days that we've been spending, I hope this dream is never ending. Oh, feels like a fairy tale. And all of me is filled with love. You know you mean the world to me. Oh, feels like a fairy tale. Like a fairy tale. If I will share my life with anyone, I really hope.
For these new pads, Piggy After Dark pigments, you really need a black light torch, which unfortunately I don't have, so I can't show you the real glow that you would get from them. I just took my pictures in the dark and you can see it a little bit, but obviously not as well. So thank you all for watching. Take care. Stay safe. See you next time. Bye.